Hey, welcome back everybody. Tonight we are going to talk about taking the 13th Colony Bourbon and turning it into our own double oaked. So 13th Colony has got their release of their double oaked. It is barrel entry proof. So their regular bourbon, we're sitting at about a 95 proof on this one and 95 proof on this one as well. These are two different batches, so that's why I'm double checking them, right? So we're going to take our oak chips and we're going to introduce them to the barrel. Now we've already got this thing watertight. It's ready to go. So tonight we're going to crack these open, give these a try. This will be my first time actually trying this one. Wait for it. Nice pop. So we'll let that one set for a little while. We'll go ahead and funnel these chips in there. This can be a tedious process. Not too bad though. We'll get that funnel. Again, air gap. Make sure you have an air gap in between the funnel and the barrel. That way we can flow. One down. Round two. And we're to the top. That's what we got left in that second bottle. Cork back in that one. And then we sit back and wait. So let's go ahead and try this 13th Colony Bourbon. And this is my first pour tonight, so surprisingly very smooth. It does have that mineral taste to it. The nose is fantastic. The palate for me though, it's a little bit lacking as far as complexity is concerned, right? Let's go ahead and get some of that liquid death. The nose is great again. Definitely drinks like a 90 proof bourbon. Again, that complexity and that depth, I'm just not feeling it. The flavor profile is good. But it's just really hard for me to pick anything out of the regular bourbon. Great sipping bourbon, would be awesome to mix stuff with. I'm hoping that we're going to be able to open it up quite a bit with this, taking these different levels of toasted oak, and we will be able to try it up against what we have left here. Once we do find out that we do enjoy this and we love this a lot better than what we've pulled out of the bottle today, we'll turn around and we'll put the rest of this back in this barrel and then mix the two out. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Definitely stay tuned for this. Again, I've been talking about getting a meetup to get together. I plan on having a bottle share event at Scenic City Cigars. What I'll end up doing is I'll probably bring 2 or 3 bottles. I know I've promised a couple people to try that Eagle Rare Honey finished. We also have the Eagle Rare Honey Amberana finish that we've had in the works for a little while now. We'll bring that to the event, and then we'll also bring this. So 3 bottles, stay tuned for those, and I'll drop a date as soon as we have everything ready to go. And again, it'll probably be after the first of the year, so just keep an eye out. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.